Identifying the data type of an input. Hi, I am trying to print the data type of a user input and produce a table like following. appdef equals string, 1.09 equals float, 0 equals int, true equals bool, etc. I'm using Python 3, 2.3, and I know I could use type to get the type of the data, but in Python all user inputs are taken as strings, and I don't know how to determine whether the input is a string or boolean or integer or float. Here is that part of the code, which always returns str for string. Appreciate any help.
Input will always return a string. If you want to see if it is possible to be converted to an integer, you should do. You could write a function like this. However, as mentioned in the other answers, using ask.literal_eval would be a more concise solution.
Input will always return a string. You need to evaluate the string to get some Python value. If you want safety, here user can execute arbitrary code. You should use ask.literal_eval.
The problem here is that any input is taken a string. So we need to treat string as a special case, and keep it separate from everything else. Here the input is first evaluated. If it's anything other than a string, the eval function shall show the type. If it's a string, it is considered as an error, and the error message is given as that is a string.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.